So we have some fresh parsley.
We had a gathering of our wellness innovators and our diversity and inclusion council members to participate in a food demonstration and a discussion and just sort of raise awareness to some of the things that our staff, students, and the general community face when they're making choices about what they're eating and how they're eating.
It's affordability, but it's acceptability. It's appeal.
Events like this really support the idea of belonging. You know, it does it in several ways.
This would be really good with some cilantro in here too.
The other aspect of this is it gives me something to take back to the rest of my team. So individually, a lot of these people are the leaders of their areas. For me, it gives me an opportunity to take it back to my coworkers in A&P Fiscal, for example, and say, hey, here's some cool stuff that we covered.
And also just kind of step out of our comfort zone and see how we can be of support to our employees.